Hi everyone, Vicky Verley here. This might not apply to most people because I'm using a really old version of Photoshop, but some people out there might be looking at it. And what's happened here, I've gone in, I've got this file, and I go into filter, and all the artistic filters are blurred out. I can't use them. And I did a bunch of research. I tried a bunch of stuff about going into the preferences and turning on the switches and directing it to the filters, library and all this stuff. Nothing worked, nothing worked. And here, this just, I don't know why, but I just tried it. You go to image mode, convert it, it's CMYK, and then I convert it to RGB, and I don't rasterize and don't do all of that. And now, as soon as it converts it, it's going to take a second. Now I can go into my filter. Where's that filter? And look, it's all restored. I can do all the artistic filters and all the stuff. It's all here just because I put it to RGB for some crazy reason. Now again, this may not even be a thing anymore, but I'm sure there's still people out there using some of the old Photoshops. This is CS5 or CS5.5 or something I'm using. Just because I don't use Photoshop enough to warrant paying $50 a month. I use it hardly ever. So I can get by with this old version for when I need to do stuff, but this was really bugging me, and I finally cracked it, figured it out. So if you're in the same boat, it may still be an issue in the newer Photoshops. I have no idea. But if you're on the same boat, I hope I helped you out. Convert it to RGB, and if it has to be CMYK, again, you have to convert it back. I know that's not ideal, but if you really need those filters and you really want to use them for some reason, you're going to have to convert it over to image mode RGB, and then the filters will all show up for some crazy reason. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I hope I helped you out. Bye.